a place where cars come to die. See this fuse? This little blue fuse here, 60 amp. This is what failed on the car. This is why the car wouldn't start. Why they tried hot wiring the fuel pump and everything to see if that would make the car start. No, this fuse, £1 it cost me to replace this fuse. £1.